How to fix gold node not working on Instagram. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If a gold node is not working, there might be a couple of reasons why. Let's go ahead and check all of the possible solutions. Launch your Instagram application in your device. Tap on the DM section. Over here you should see the note option. Now when you are typing your note, make sure that you have include the word gold in it. If you have not mentioned the word gold, your note will not turn into the gold color. So make sure to type in gold. However, if this does not work yet, there might be because of lack of update for your application. In order to solve it, just launch a Play Store or App Store in your mobile device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Instagram. In here, you need to make sure that if there is any possible update, just tap on the update button. Or you can even wait for a while for auto update from Instagram. After which you'll be able to get yourself a gold node on your Instagram app. And just like that, we have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.